Are you ready for a quick, filling and nutritious meal?
These easy and delicious cheesy spinach tuna tortillas are perfect for busy days when you want something satisfying without the hassle. Just a few simple ingredients and a few minutes are all you need to create this masterpiece.
First, you need a tortilla, the soft, warm base that holds all the goodness together.
Next, shred the cheese. This will add a creamy, melty texture to your tortilla.
For a balanced flavor profile, slice the onion thinly and evenly.
Drain a can of tuna thoroughly. This will keep your tortillas from becoming too soggy. Get a shallow non-stick cake tin ready. It's about to hold something delicious. Place a tortilla slice in the cake pan. Add the shredded cheese evenly for a consistent, perfectly melted layer. Add the second tortilla layer. Add the spinach evenly for a balanced, fresh layer of flavor. Add the tuna on top of the spinach, spreading it evenly. Top the tuna with the onion. This adds a bright, aromatic layer to your dish.
Time to get cracking. Grab those 3 eggs and give them a good whisk. Gently pour the beaten eggs into the prepared cake pan. Add black pepper to taste.
For the final layer, add a generous amount of shredded cheese for a rich golden finish. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius, or until the egg sets and the top is golden brown.
Imagine a warm, golden tortilla, fresh from the pan, cradling a luscious cheesy blend of creamy spinach and tender, flaky tuna.
The tortilla itself is crisp along the edges, but soft in the middle. The combination of melted cheese, tender spinach, and tuna makes every bite satisfying and comforting, with just the right balance of flavors and textures.
Save this video and follow for more recipes.